Hello students, today in this video I will explain you exercise first B. All of you see question number first. Find the area of the square. We have to find the area of a square and side is given. Part number 4. Side of square is given. So first of all we will write side of square is given in the question. Side of square is 9 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. So this is a mixed fraction. We have to change it in improper. So 3 into 9, 27. 27 plus 2, 29 upon 3 centimeter. So this is the side of a square. But in the question we have to find area. So area of square formula we have to use here. Area of square. Formula for area of square is side into side, or we can use side square. This is the formula to calculate the area of a square. Either you can write side square, side power 2, or you can write side multiply side. Both the formulas are correct. Both the ways to write the formula are correct. So side multiply side. So side square. So side square is 29 upon 3 whole square. Whole square means we have to multiply 29 upon 3 2 times. 2 times means again we will write 29 upon 3. Now nothing is getting cancelled here. With the table of 3, these 29 is not cancelled. So what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator. 29 multiply 29 when we will do, then we will get 9 9 ja 81, 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 8 26, 9 2 ja 80, 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5. On adding them we will get 841. So here we will write 841 in the numerator, and in the denominator 3 into 3 will be 9. Now we can change it in mixed fraction. In order to change this number in the mixed fraction, what we have to do? We have to divide it. 9 we will write outside, 841 we will write inside. 9 9 ja 81. On subtracting them we will get 3. 1 we will bring downside. 9 9 3 ja 27. On subtracting them we will get the remainder 4. Remainder is 4. So what we have to do? This number 93 we have to write in the whole. Remainder we have to write upside. Upon. In the upon we have to write same number with which we had divided this 841. That means 9. So final answer is 93 whole 4 upon 9. This is the answer of area. So unit for area we have to use here centimeter square. So you have to remember, whenever you are finding the area, you have to use the unit centimeter square. If meter will be given here in the question, then you have to use meter square. So like this you have to do question number first. Now go to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is second question. Find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle you have to find. Part number 3rd. All of you see. Question number 2nd, 3rd part. Area of rectangle you have to find here in the question. And length is given 2.5 meter. Length 2.5 meter. Breadth is also given. Breadth is 1.75 meter. So this shape is known as rectangle. This side is length. How much? 2.5 meter. This side is known as breadth. So value of breadth is also given 1.75 meter. We have to find the area. Area means space here. This shaded portion is known as the area. So we have to find the area of the rectangle. So here formula we have to use area of rectangle formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. This is the formula to calculate the area of the rectangle. Length is 2.5, multiply breadth is 1.75. Now we have to multiply these two. 1.75 multiplied with 2.5. So on multiplying it, we will get 5 5 are 25, 2 5 7 are 35 and 2 37. 5 1 5 plus 3 8, 2 5 are 10, 7 2 14 and 1 15. 2 1 are 2 and 1 3. On adding them, 5 7 3 4. Now we have to put the decimal also. Here point is before 2 digit. Here point is before 1 digit. So total 3 digits are there. We have to use the point before 3 digits. 2 digit here after the point 2 digits are given. Here after the point 1 digit is given. So total 3 digits. So we have to put the point before 3 digits. So here we are getting our answer 4.375. So our answer is 4.375. This is the answer of area. So area unit which we have, what unit we have to use here? This is the meter. So here we will take the unit meter square. So this is your answer of question number 2, part number 3. Now come to next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the side of square. In question number 3, we have to find the side of a square. We have to find, and area is given 169 centimeter square. So in the first part, area of square is given 169 centimeter square. This is the area of the square which is given in the question, and we have to find the side of square. So what we have to do, area of a square, under this we will write the formula for area of square. Area of square is side square. This is the formula for area of square. On the right hand side of equal to 169 we will write as it is. Now what you have to remember here, this square is on left hand side. When we will bring this power 2 on right hand side, we will change this power 2 as a square root sign. In place of power 2, here we will write side. We will not write side square because this square we are bringing on right hand side. So when we will bring this square on right hand side, from here square will get removed. That square will go to right hand side and it will become square root. And square root of 169, how you will find? 169 is 13 multiply 13. Whenever you are finding the square root, you have to find such number. When we will multiply that number 2 times, we will get the answer 169. So 169 is 13 multiply 13. So when we are multiplying 13 2 times, we are getting 169. So for square root of 169, we are writing it as 13 into 30. Now when we will remove the square root sign, these double 13 we will write only one time. So our answer will be 13 centimeter. So this is your side of square. So this is the final answer of question number 3, part number 1. Similarly, we will do question number 3, second part also. 729 is given. Second part, question number 3, second part. Area is given. Area of square is given. Area of square is 729 centimeter square, and we have to find the side of a square. So area of square formula is side square. So under this we will write formula equal to, this thing we will write as it is. Now next step is, this is power 2 we will remove. So here side will be remaining. When we will remove this power 2, on right hand side we will take square root sign. Now what we have to do, 729 prime factor we will take. Prime factors of 729. Here also you can take prime factor. This is 169. When you will find the prime factor of 169, this 169 is divisible by 13 only. 13 1 ja 30. Remainder is 3. 3 and 9 will be 39. 13 3 ja 39. 13 1 ja 13. So here we are getting 213. That's why we have taken here 213. Now we are finding the square root of 729. So first of all, what we will do? We will divide this 729 with 3. It is divisible by 3. So 3 2 ja 6. Remainder will be 1. 1 and 2 will become 12. 3 4 ja 12. 3 3 ja 9. Again we will divide it with 3. 3 8 ja 24. 3 1 ja. Again we will divide it with 3. 3 2 ja 6. Remainder will be 2. 2 and 1 21. 3 7 ja. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. Now after finding the prime factor, what we will do? We will write here 729 answer. What is the answer of 729 prime factor we have find here? How many times 3 is coming? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will write here 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we will write 3 6 times. Now when we will remove this square root, here we have removed square root. So this double 13 we had written only one time. Same work we have to do here. Double 3 we will write single time. Double 3 we will write single time. Double 3 we will write single time. And we will not put the square root sign now. Why? Because we are writing these double 3 single time. Now on multiplying, 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So this is your answer of side. Side answer is 27 centimeter. So this is your final answer of question number 3rd, second part. Now all of you see question number 4th. Fourth question. Find the perimeter of square. We have to find the perimeter of square. Area is given 289 centimeter square. What is given here? Area is given 289. Whose area is given? Square area is given. Area of square is given 289 centimeter square. First of all, we will do the same work as we had done in question number 3rd. We will use the formula for area of square. Area of square formula is side square is equal to 289. In the next step, what we will do? This square power 2 we will bring to right hand. So here we will take square root 289. On the left hand we will write side. Now square root of 289 we have to find. So first of all we will find the prime factor. This 289 we have to take prime numbers. It is not coming in a table of 2. Second prime number is 3. This 289 is not coming in a table of 3 also. Another prime number is 5. It is not divisible by 5 also. Another prime number is 7. It is not divisible by 7. Similarly we will check for all the prime numbers. This 789 will get divisible by 17. If we will check here, 17 1 ja 17. Now on subtracting 289, when you will divide this, if you are getting confused, then what you can do, you can divide it in the rough also. We will divide this 289 with 17. 17 1 ja 17. On subtracting it, we will get 11. This 9 will come downside. So this will become 119. 17 7 ja, if we will do, then we will get 119. On subtracting it, we will get 0. So here, when we have divided this 289 with 17, we are getting 17 answer. So here we will write 17. Again we will divide it with 17. 17 1 ja 17. So now prime factorization is over. Root as it is 289 is 17 multiplied 17. When we will remove this square root sign, these double 17, these are double 17. These double 17 we will write it single time and root will get removed. This is centimeter square, but we are writing here side. This is the answer of side. So side will come in centimeter. but in the question we have to find the perimeter of square. So now we have to use the formula for perimeter of square formula. Perimeter of square is 4 multiplied side. This is the formula to calculate the perimeter of square. Now 4 multiplied side is 17 centimeter. So when we will multiply these two, then we will get 68 centimeter. So this is your final answer of question number 4th first part. In the same way you have to do question number 4th second part also and third part also. Now come to question number 5th. Fifth question. Fifth, the area of rectangle is 168 centimeter square. What is given here in the question? Area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle 168 centimeter square. First part we are doing here, A part. After that, breadth is also given. Breadth is 12 centimeter. So here we will write breadth is 12 centimeter. These two things are given. After that, we have to find length and perimeter of the rectangle. Two things we have to find, length as well as perimeter. So first of all, what we will do here, this is the value of area of rectangle. So first of all, we will use the formula for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle value is given. How much value is given? Area of rectangle is 168 centimeter square. Area of rectangle formula we will use. Area of rectangle formula is L multiply B is equal to 168 centimeter square. Length value is not given, but value of B is given here. Value of B is 12 is equal to 168 centimeter square. Now this 12 is in multiplication. On right hand side it will come in divide. So L is equal to 168 divided 12. When we will divide these two, then we will get 12 1 ja 12. Remainder will be 4. 12 4 ja 48. So length answer we are getting here 40. Unit of length will be centimeter. Now in the question we have to find perimeter of rectangle also. So length answer we got. Now we have to find perimeter. So we will write here perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 bracket L plus B. This is the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. 2 bracket length is 14 plus breadth is 12. When we will add these two, then we will get 26. After adding 14 and 12, we will get 26. Now 26 into 2, answer will be 52. This is the answer of perimeter of rectangle. So unit will be 52 centimeter. So this is your final answer of question number 5th. Like this you have to do question number 5th B part also. Now this exercise question only up to question number 5 you have to prepare. Rest of the questions are not in your syllabus. Your new reduced syllabus is from exercise first A, previous exercise perimeter 1. You have to do question number 1 to 10. And in exercise first B, area. This is area 1. This exercise is of area. And first exercise is of perimeter. So first exercise you have to do up to question number 10, but in exercise first B you have to do up till question number 5. So up to 1, from starting 1 question to 5 question you have to practice these questions. Rest of the questions no need to practice. So now this exercise is over. Your homework is you have to finish this exercise in your fair note.